In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom styles to your CTA in Hubspot. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your call to action elements look exactly the way you want. Customizing your CTAs can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your marketing campaigns. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate over to the Hubspot homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. Enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure your login information is handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home dashboard. From here, you'll see several different areas you can explore. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Click on Marketing. This is where you can manage all your marketing assets within Hubspot. From emails to social media content, all your marketing tools are just a click away. After you've clicked on Marketing, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the CTAs option in this menu and click on it. This will take you to the section where all your call to action buttons reside. In the CTA management area, you will see existing CTAs as well as the option to create new ones. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll go through creating a new CTA. Click on the Create a CTA button. Once you do this, you'll be prompted to choose from a variety of templates. These templates are designed to give you a head start on your design process, but remember you can fully customize them as we get deeper into the styling process. Having selected a template that suits your campaign needs, the next step is to add it. Simply click on the Add button and your selected CTA will be ready for customization. Now, to give your CTA a unique look, click on Design. Here is where you can modify the visual elements of your CTA, including size, alignment, and textual features. From the design screen, you'll want to look for the Styles option. By clicking on Styles, you can see all the available customization tools at your disposal. Whether you want to change the background color, border style, or text font, this is your go-to area for all things related to visual customization. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added custom styles to your CTA in Hubspot. This powerful feature helps your CTAs stand out, making them more engaging and effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.